You clap, I snap. Damn it. Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to The Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today, I'm here with Amber.
Hi guys.
She's also a former coworker, and I'm excited because I'm finally able to make a drink for Amber on this show because she's finally 21. In your new drinking habits, what have you been experiencing that you would say are like your favorite drinks?
Those drinking habits are pretty bad. I finally got to go to bars and now I'm like just trying to try everything. I don't exactly have a specific taste that I like right now, but I would say it's mostly citrusy, more like, I don't know, I have a wide variety of flavors that I like the mintiness and mojitos, sourness, margaritas, but like I like that salty, sour flavor the most. I can always have michelada.
I just don't like micheladas myself. Like, I just don't like tomatoes. So like the concept of micheladas and drinks with tomato just disgusts me. I'm sorry
Really?
if you love Bloody Marys, especially for those Sunday hangovers, because
Me? Yes, no, I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm offended. Dude, I've liked michelada so much. I've learned to try Bloody Marys and Bloody Marias.
we'll see if you have anything like michelada mix in your fridge. If you do, I'm not touching that. I have to taste these as I go, so no thank you. You ready for me to make something for you?
Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. Nice. Alright, now you can go keep working on your project. Amber's gonna start doing her homework, and I'm gonna ignore this clamato, which is right next to some rum. I'm gonna grab both of these rums actually, because they barely have enough for a drink. And there's an interesting selection of things in the fridge, such as soy sauce and Worcestershire. I was going to use the Kerns, but there was some Capri Sun, and Capri Sun is delicious. Into the pantry, where we find many hot sauces I can choose from. Gonna also grab this honey. So we're gonna start with the fresh lemon, and then about 3 drops of soy sauce. Just enough to add that saltiness, but not enough to overwhelm everything. Capri Sun is gonna be our main juice, but we're gonna use it after I enjoy a little bit. There isn't very much of either rum, so we're gonna split between the two to have a little light limon flavor. A quick taste reveals to me that I forgot to use the sweetener, so I add a little more Capri Sun and then the honey. Amber's gonna give it a quick shake instead of just me. She's wanted to learn bartending for a little while, so I had started teaching her when we were still working together. Then we'll garnish with these maraschino cherries and a stainless steel straw. This is the most dive bar-y looking drink I've made on this show. Hopefully it doesn't taste like a dive bar drink. Let's see what Amber thinks. Boom, we're back. You're back. In front of these guys. Scarface, right?
He is.
Yeah. How was your homework?
It was great. I accomplished nothing.
She was doing her homework while I was making the drink.
Multitasking at its finest.
Because you're done with homework, I have the drink ready for you.
Well, this will make me really done with homework.
Unfortunately, it's not as good as stuff I've made for you before. I kept trying to tweak it so it would be good, but let me know what you think.
I actually like that. It's pretty strong.
Really?
Yeah.
It didn't taste strong to me. That shows how screwed up my taste buds have got.
Super lemony, but I like that.
What else do you taste?
Alcohol. I'd say tequila. Maybe because tequila has that for me.
I don't taste the alcohol. I have a
Really?
problem.
I like this little pink tip down here.
Yeah, that was unintentional. That's just the
It's
cherries.
beautiful though. Oh, is it? It's definitely not like soda. It has to be juice. No idea what it is. I have a lot of juice in my fridge though, so it has to be one of those.
Yeah, there were a lot. Well, you ready to find out what's in there?
I'm ready.
Fun fact, I hid all the ingredients somewhere around here. You said tequila.
Yeah, definitely.
Wrong.
No way.
No.
No. Tell me.
It's actually 2 rums, Bacardi
Yeah.
and Bacardi Limon. I wanted to do a little split base so it wasn't too lemony because I was already putting lemon, which lemon was one of the ingredients. A whole lemon, a whole fresh lemon. I love playing with fresh citrus.
Whole lemon?
There wasn't actually that much juice in this one. Came up to 3/4 of an ounce of juice. Then it was supplemented by the Bacardi Limon.
Nice.
Got the things you liked, got the thing you got wrong, which is the rum and rum.
That's crazy. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I tasted tequila.
You can watch the footage, it's definitely
Really?
rum.
That's crazy.
There were a lot of juices in your fridge. A lot. You had Kerns, you had Kerns, you had Minute Maid.
I have all the tropical punch. I have
Yeah.
cranberry, cran grape.
Yeah, like Ocean Spray. So many flavors. I decided to go with a juice that a lot of people have and probably is a little bit of a nostalgia kick. Capri Sun!
Serious?
Yeah, I put Capri Sun in there. Pacific Cooler specifically. I'm gonna get that straw again.
I didn't even know I had that in there until I had like, how many of those? 1 or 2? 2? Oh, cool.
1 now.
Yeah, did not expect that. It
Yeah.
didn't taste like that. Or well, I don't know.
When I was making the drink, it was so weird because I put about 2 ounces of this after drinking like half of it because, oh man, nostalgia. Because it was just the citrus, this, and the rum at that point, I went and grabbed some sweetener. I added so much and
Well,
it did...
maybe you will palate because you like the alcohol.
Did you taste the sweet?
No.
Exactly.
You're right. I really didn't.
I'm extra surprised that it didn't come through because the sweetener I used was honey.
Ooh.
I used a lot of honey because it would not sweeten up at all. I wish it actually came through because honey is just it's just a nice flavor to have in drinks. You saw the cherries. There are only 2 left though after that. So there was one little thing that I added that maybe is what made the whole situation weird. You might notice this at Lock and Key. They put saline in some of their drinks. Same concept as like with a margarita or a michelada, that salt just helps temper the acidity, temper the alcohol flavor a little bit. I added a salty ingredient, except I think it screwed over the flavor. So who knows? Maybe I shouldn't have used it. But I used the fun little guy, soy sauce, just a little bit.
I feel like you have to have a little bit of every flavor.
Soy sauce is mostly like on the salty side, a little bit of umami, a little bit. So my goal was to help round out the sweetness and the acidity from the Capri Sun and the lemon. Even a well-balanced drink, having 2 or 3 drops of 20%, 15% saline solution just makes it even more palatable, even if it's already delicious. So you should try that at home, and you should try that more often.
So like, can I use like eye drop saline type stuff?
No, use salt and water. Now that you know what's in there, what do you think of the drink?
I loved it, dude. I really did. I did not expect all those different stuff to be in it.
Yeah.
It was good though. I really liked it.
So guys, that was Amber's kitchen drink, where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye. Bye.
Say it with your chest.
Can you say it in deep voice? So guys.
I don't know the line, but yes I can.